Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. Guys, today I have come again with one story, and why I tell so many stories to you, because I know this story will make you fluent in English. If you speak, of course you will be able to speak. You just say that I don't have any partner to speak, I don't have this, I don't have that, but yes, if you have grammar knowledge, so you don't need to find anyone. You are enough to practice alone, being alone, no matter where you are. Because I know all types of structures such as tenses, passive, causative, conditional, modal, and like passive, preposition, conjunction, everything is in my mind. But the thing is that I don't have any partner to speak, so that is why I create some topics for me to speak. Sometimes I speak stories, sometimes I talk about any topic. You don't need to find anything, you are enough. So just whenever you are, try to speak, because you have learned you have learned so many things so far. I know you do hard work, you watch so many videos, you read, you write, you do so many things, but you don't speak, thinking that I don't have any partner. But for guys, tell me, just follow me guys. I will tell you how to practice being alone, and how to become fluent in English, and how to use all the thing in story in while speaking in English. I have made some videos how to use passive, how to use causative, how to use conditional in your speaking. So guys, I will tell you each and everything. Just stick with me. So today I am going to tell you one more story, so that you can learn so many things. So just watch this story till the end. So let me tell you guys. So there were two friends, Karan and Subham. They lived in a village. Subham was so innocent, but yes, he used to go to gym every day. He used to care about him. Whereas Karan, he was lazy, and he didn't do anything for him. But yes, he used to go outside and have fun. One day, Subham, he was at home and he was feeling bored. So he thought I should call Karan so that I can spend some time. So as soon as he called Karan, Karan didn't receive his call. Then Subham got shocked that how come Karan didn't receive my call? I must go to his home. So Subham went to his home. As soon as he reached his home, he knocked the door. Then Karan's mother, she came out of the house. She said, yes Subham, what happened? Subham said, I want to meet Karan. Karan's mom said, but Karan is not here. If you want to meet Karan, so you can go to park nearby. Subham said, okay, I'm going to park. Guys, when Subham went to park, he saw Karan was sitting with a girl. Seeing Karan sitting with a girl, he got taken aback. Immediately he went there and he asked Karan, hey Karan, what are you doing here? I had been calling you for a long period of time, but you are not receiving. And what I can see here, you are talking to a girl. Oh my God, I know this girl. Why are you talking to her? Karan said, what happened? What happened with this girl? Subham said, do you know this girl? Karan said, I don't know, but we are best friends. He told me I live in a village. Subham said, actually she told you a lie. Actually she doesn't live in next village, any village. Uh, she lives uh, in blah blah village. So don't believe in her, because I know her father is a landlord. He is the headman of the village, and he is so dangerous. He has killed lots of people so far. Karan got shocked hearing this thing, and he asked that girl, hey, is it really your dad is dangerous? That girl said, yes, my dad is dangerous, but don't worry. I will tell my dad everything about you. We will marry soon. Then Subham said, hey, don't believe in her. She will going to uh, get you killed. I'm telling you, her dad is so dangerous. All of a sudden, girl's father came over there and he saw, and he asked, hey, who are these boys? I'm going to kill them. I have gun. Then girl said, Dad, don't kill them. They are my friend. Actually, they when I came here, so they came across me. That is why I'm just talking to them. I'm not doing anything. So then her father said, okay, let's go to home. And if they have done anything, tell me. I am going to kill them. Girl said, no, they didn't do anything with me. Then girl and her father went away from there. Then Shubham and Karan, they both started talking. Shubham started making Karan understand that you should stop talking to her. I'm telling you, her father is so dangerous. He never regrets killing people. Then Karan also got scared, but he said, but Shubham, I love her and she also loves me. What should I do? Shubham said, hey, forget about love and this and that. Just take care of your life. I am telling you, you will be killed if you do this. Karan said, okay. Next day, again that girl came and she came to Karan's home and she said, Karan, let's elope and get married. Karan said, no, I'm not going to get married to you. If I do this, so your father is going to kill me. Girl said, no, don't worry. I will handle all the situation. And after that, that girl took Karan to a temple where they both got married. Then Karan called Shubham. Shubham also reached there and he got totally surprised seeing them. Shubham said to Karan, oh my God, you have done wrong thing. I can't say that you are going to live for long period of time. Shubham started telling Karan, oh my God, I lost my friend. Oh my God, what should I do? I'm telling you, Karan, her father is going to kill you within 2 or 3 days. Oh my God, what should I do? Karan said, hey bro, don't scare me. Why? What are you telling? Are you gone mad? And girl also said, Shubham, don't worry. My father is not going to kill him because now I got married to him. So my father, of course, he is going to feel pity on us. Then they just after that, Karan and that girl went away from there, and Shubham also went to his home, crying, being sad. And after 2 or maybe 5 days, Shubham heard that one couple was killed, and that couple was none other than his friend Karan and that girl. And finally they both were killed by that by that girl's father. So guys, I hope you must have liked this story. If you like this story, please subscribe. My motive is to tell you how to practice in English being alone, no matter where you are. I don't know how much time and money you spend for your fluency. I don't know whether you write, you read, you do this, you do that. But guys, until you do this, your tongue is not going to work, your mind is not going to work, and also your all the grammar which you have learned is not going to work, because until you use your grammar in speaking, so how can you say that I know this grammar, that grammar? So if you write, you can write. If you read, you can read. If you speak, of course you can speak like me. I have done nothing but speak. That is why I am able to speak, and I am comfortable with anyone to speak, just because of my this practice, guys. Just do this and tell me after doing this whether you feel improvement into you or not. So thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and bye.
Number